Welcome to Chandler. Let's tour the two homes behind this vibrant mural. Situated on a spacious lot of more than 4,000 square feet, this unique property features two completely separate homes and has been thoughtfully updated with modern finishes, making it completely move-in ready. This property delivers flexibility and value. Whether you're an investor looking for rental income, or a homeowner hoping to offset your mortgage, or a family needing space for multiple generations, this is the kind of property that rarely comes available in Chandler. The main residence offers 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. What truly sets this property apart is the detached second home, complete with its own bedroom, bathroom, private yard, separate entrance, and separate utilities. It offers privacy and independence for tenants, guests, extended family, or a home office setup. Live in one and rent the other. Rent both and maximize your investment. Or create the perfect arrangement for family members who want to be close. And then there's the location. Located in Chandler, you'll enjoy access to a vibrant downtown district filled with year-round events. This is an EXP listing, and the listing agent, which is not me, they are disclosing their interest. This property is more than a home. It's an opportunity to create income, build wealth, and enjoy the Chandler lifestyle.